एज अ फैमिली एक स्टोर में पूरी फैमिली काम
सब लग
करती
गए
थी,
थे,
तो
हाँ।
वही बड़ा जबरदस्त मेमोरेबल मोमेंट होता था एवरी डे, बिकॉज मैं किचन में था, ब्रदर वाइफ सिस्टर सारे बाहर काम करते थे। तो बड़ा एक छोटा सा हमने फैमिली रन बेकरी खोला था। So in last 18 years, we opened 33, and this year, I think by March, we will add about 16 or 17 new locations. It feels amazing. I mean, when we see so many customers coming to all our stores every day, on average, we get about 10,000 people walk in every day in all our stores. So whenever I create any recipe, so I always take it to my family first. मेरे घर वाले बहुत तंग है मेरे से, कहते हैं कि कुछ ना कुछ मीठा तेरा आता रहता है, कुछ ना कुछ ट्रायल तो हम सब लोगों को मोटा करेगा. So we do a lot of factory visits for school kids, hotel management students, even for a lot of government departments. So we invite them and show them how everything is made.
What is your USP?
There is no USP. हम लोग क्वालिटी और फ्रेशनेस के ऊपर बहुत ध्यान देते हैं. अब मुझे कोई भी एक अगर सिंगल रेसिपी भी लॉन्च करनी है, इट टेक्स मी 6 months. कभी कभी मुझे एक साल लग जाता है. सिंथेटिक कलर्स, प्रिजर्वेटिव्स, एनी काइंड ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल फ्लेवर वी डोंट यूज. अभी मैं वैसे भी बहुत काम कर रहा हूँ इन क्लीनिंग द लेबल्स. क्लीनिंग द लेबल्स मतलब कोई भी ऐसा इंग्रेडिएंट जो आपको समझ में ना आया कस्टमर लेवल पे, वो होगा ही नहीं उसके अंदर.
From a single bakery in Chandigarh to over 30 outlets across India, Chef Nikhil Mithil has made this brand something that's loved by people all across. So, in this conversation, we're going to know about the beginnings, his recipe for success, and what's next. Hi, Nikhil. Welcome
Hi.
to Gurna's Talkies.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
So, you recently opened your 33rd store. I mean, just a few days back in Moga.
Yes.
How does it feel? 33.
Oh, it feels amazing. I mean, so opening a Moga store was in a pipeline, in a plan for many years. So we did that last week, and every store that we open, I mean, it's so special, especially the day we open, because me, my whole family is there
At the opening of
at
the
the
store.
opening of the store, and
Every store.
every store.
Okay.
So a day before, my mom, she'll do the havan,
Okay.
and the next day we open our store, and the whole family is there for the whole day. And then I'm also at every store. I'm there with my team from morning till night, and उस टाइम मुझे मौका मिलता है उनके साथ सबके साथ काम करने का, because at the store level I don't get that much time to work with the team,
Yeah.
because I'm so busy in the head office where everything is made.
Yeah.
So मेरे लिए बड़ा एक अच्छा experience होता है, and also learning thing for me where I learn a lot when I'm working with them. अब मुझे पता लगता है इनको क्या problems आ रही हैं, customer level पे क्या feedback है. So it's a very important day for me for Nick Bakers.
And then how often do you visit your stores? Like, now there are 33 stores. How often do you go to each store and check how everything is working?
So I visit maybe 2-3 stores a day. I mean, depending on where I am. I mean, I live in Chandigarh, so I start my day maybe from Sector 9, pick up coffee there, or go to Sector 35. But I always visit 1 or 2 stores, sometimes
Every
more,
day.
every day. Yeah, because going to the store, that gives me an idea how everything is displayed. I talk to the customers, get their feedback, so it's very important.
Nice. That's very interesting to know that
Thank you.
even after being so busy and having your hands full, you make sure to, go spend time with your team, interact with your customers. That's very
And my
interesting.
team, they love it too when I work with them in the kitchen at the store. So the chefs who are working with me, they love it too. So they also get to experience working
Yeah,
with me.
they get to know how Chef Nikhil works.
Yeah.
I would want you to stop and go back to the day when Nick Bakers started. What's your memory of 2006? Was it
2006.
2006 when you started
Yeah.
your signature outlet?
First tour.
Yeah.
So when I came back from Australia in 2005, so my dad he told me that why don't we open a bakery in Chandigarh. He actually saw all the pictures, stuff that I was making in Australia. तो पापा कहते कि यार तू नेक्स्ट सेक्टर 9 में एक छोटी सी में बूथ मिल रहा है, तो वहाँ पे एक बेकरी खोलते हैं. So it was run by me, my wife, my brother, my sister,
All of you
all of us.
together.
The whole family was involved in it. So my kitchen में I used to bake everything, and my wife, my brother, and my sister, they used to work at the counter.
Okay.
तो बड़ा एक छोटा सा हमने फैमिली रन बेकरी खोला था. So that's how we started.
और उसकी जो आपकी मतलब ये तो हो गया स्ट्रक्चर है ना कि
Yeah.
कैसा है आपकी क्या मेमोरी है ऐसी कोई मेमोरी है विच जस्ट यू नो व्हेनेवर यू थिंक ऑफ सेक्टर 9 और व्हेनेवर यू थिंक ऑफ 2006 that's the first thing that comes to your mind वो
बहुत
क्या
सारी
चीज है
मेमोरीज हैं.
जो सबसे प्यारी
सबसे
स्पेशल
प्यारी मेमोरी तो यही है कि हम एज अ फैमिली एक स्टोर में पूरी फैमिली काम
सब लग
करती
गए
थी,
थे
तो
हाँ
वही बड़ा जबरदस्त मेमोरेबल मोमेंट होता था एवरी डे. बिकॉज मैं किचन में था, ब्रदर वाइफ सिस्टर सारे बाहर काम करते थे. मतलब अब ऐसा नहीं है, अब ब्रदर अपना कुछ और डिवीजन देख रहा है, मैं अपना कोई और स्निक बेकर्स में ही अलग अलग काम देख रहे हैं. बट वो जो एज अ फैमिली रन बेकरी थी छोटी सी, हम लोग सारे काम करते थे,
या
तो वो
बहुत
एक
स्पेशल
हाँ,
है
वो बहुत स्पेशल था.
और निखिल आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया गए
या
एंड इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग यू हैड नो प्लान्स टू स्टे बैक है ना आप सिर्फ यू वर जस्ट विजिटिंग
Yeah.
योर पेरेंट्स
So
इन
in
2005
2005, I came to visit my family, and my dad, he was going through all the pictures of
Yeah.
the stuff that I was making in Australia.
Okay.
वो पापा कहते हैं यार इतनी जबरदस्त जो चीजें बना रहा है वहाँ पे, why don't you come back to India and open something here. तो एक बार तो मैंने मना कर दिया उनको,
राइट
but somehow he insisted me, and वो कहते हैं कि यार एक छोटा सा बेकरी खोलते हैं, let's see what happens. If things work out fine, otherwise you can always go back.
राइट
So I thought, okay, let's try it. So that's how Nick Bakers was born, 27th August 2006.
wow we're
Yeah.
almost there
Yeah, almost there.
the anniversary is around
Yes.
yeah and
19 years.
yeah 19 years and I can see how beautifully you've set up the whole thing there is everything is has a place there is a structure to everything what all goes into the management of a bakery this outlet of yours
So right team, right training, lot of systems, good ingredients, top quality ingredients. But time to time training and monitoring the stores at a micro level is very important.
and that you do yourself
So
all
I
of
have
it
a very good team in my corporate office. So we all have like our area that we take care of. But I supervise everything. But then we have like operations head, we have like people in our HR, in our training. So yeah.
so as we are talking about the start of Nick Bakers the start of your
Yeah.
journey is there a defining moment when you realized, okay, now it's not just any bakery, it is Nick Bakers now. So, so that it has become this very loved brand in itself.
So I still work. We all work like a family-run business. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि because we have grown so much, so we have forgotten that it's a family-owned, family-run business. I mean, we still work like that, but yes, with years and so much more responsibility, so many locations, we have almost 1,400 people who work at Nick Bakers now.
Wow.
So a lot of responsibility, a lot of responsibilities we have. But otherwise, the way of working is still the same what it was in 2006.
What made you realize that, you're not just any bakery in the city anymore? It is a brand now that, now people know Nick Bakers. Somewhere in Delhi also people know, and Jaipur also people know. I mean, of course you have your outlets there, but back when you started, gradually, after some years, people started talking about Nick Bakers.
Yeah.
It was a big thing. It still is a big thing.
Yeah.
But back then, probably you didn't have this plan of
No.
setting up so many outlets.
No.
तो तभी लोग तो बाहर कहीं से भी आते थे तो
Yeah.
ये चंडीगढ़ का एक वो मस्ट
Yeah.
विजिट हाउंड होता था कि हाँ निक बेकर्स
Yeah.
जाना है उस कैफे जाना है
Yeah.
तो आपको कैसे लगा कि हाँ ये एक सिटी की बेकरी नहीं है ये एक ब्रांड है
I think when we opened our first location in Delhi, I think that's when we realized that we can go to multiple cities and we can do a lot more. So I think opening first store in Delhi was the time that we actually realized that. Yeah.
Very nice. And are you surprised by the success? I mean, with all the success that you've got, everything clicked, right? How does it feel?
It feels amazing. I mean, when we see so many customers coming to all our stores every day, on average, we get about 10,000 people walking every day in all our stores.
Wow.
So it feels good. It motivates us. It's an amazing feeling. I mean, definitely, I was and I am surprised the way Nick Bakers have grown. I mean, when we opened back in 2006, it was a very small family-run bakery. We had no idea we were going to open multiple stores. So I mean, it's amazing. We love it.
And I think you've already opened 33 outlets.
Yeah.
33 and counting. There is
Yes.
plan for more.
Oh, so in last 18 years we opened 33, and this year I think by March we will add about 16 or 17 new locations. So
Whoa.
we'll cross 50 locations by mid next year.
What's
All
the
company stores.
strategy? What's the plan?
Strategy is just keep growing, um, keep on improving, keep on learning. I mean, I think that's the way to grow.
And when you're talking those numbers,
Yeah,
I cannot even imagine the kind of responsibility it entails.
it is. It is.
So, are you all set for that responsibility?
No, we are building our team. So we're hiring a lot of people
Wow.
at the senior level. So yeah, I mean we are getting ready for the big jump.
For conquering
Yes.
this area in food business,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow, that's very
Thank you.
inspiring. And uh, I'm starting from small, and we'll
Sure.
gradually, go for more deeper questions. Is there any product or idea that you think, you created, but it did not deserve that much attention, or should have deserved? Because everything, I know, I love the quiche, and there you've done these sliders which are outstanding.
Yeah.
Your cheese cakes are a hit amongst people. I love the smoothie also.
Thank you.
It's all of this. I mean, this
Yeah.
is from my experience.
Sure.
I'm talking. Your pizzas. I remember when you had this outlet in Sector 8.
Yeah.
You would serve this giant
Giant
pizza
slices,
slices.
yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. Yeah. I mean, there are so many memories
Of course.
for anybody who's grown up in the city.
Sure.
Growing up, having this cafe around,
Yeah.
which was giving international level
Right.
of
Right.
service and food and
Right.
everything. Yeah. So, was there any product initially when you launched? You must have launched with a lot of love, or you would have thought, oh, this is going to be a hit, but probably it did not click so
It
much.
happens all the time.
It
But
does?
then what I do is, so whenever I create any recipe, so I always take it to my family first.
सब
So घर
trial
लेके
करते
जाता
हैं।
हूँ, सब ट्राई करते हैं.
कितने
So
दिन के लिए? 2-4 दिन,
नो,
एक ही बारी?
मेरे घर वाले बहुत तंग है मेरे से, कहते हैं कि कुछ ना कुछ मीठा तेरा आता रहता है, कुछ ना कुछ ट्रायल तो हम सब लोगों को मोटा करेगा.
करते
तो तो once when my family approves,
अब
then we
सही
do
है।
trials at the store level. So we do a lot of pre-sampling, we get customer feedback, and then I think it takes about 4 to 6 months for us to launch the product, because the packaging goes a lot of time goes in the packaging, the designing of the product, and then we have to check the shelf life of the product, because whatever we make in our kitchen, in our head office, at our head office, so वो store आता है, store आने के बाद we keep it in the fridge, and then आप as a customer you come and then you buy it and then you take it home. After two
Yeah.
days you'll eat it. So वो पूरी उसकी R&D होती है from making the product till the
Maybe also the ingredients.
oh yeah, the ingredients we don't compromise. So yeah, I mean हो जाता है कई बारी that we think that this product is going to do really good, but sometimes customers at the store level they don't like it, or sometimes we think that
Yeah.
okay, this product
It's
is
average.
nice,
Yeah.
but it will grow slowly, but people they
It's a
love
hit
it.
amongst people.
Like we just launched chicken and leek pie.
Okay.
So I launched it like 3 days ago, and then it's a big hit. People loving it.
Wow.
I also launched chips, which are made with only olive oil.
Can I
So
try them?
yeah, yeah. So this is our potato chips. This
Wow.
is paprika flavor. So you read the ingredients.
The packing is so cool, and it's very nice.
So this has only 3 ingredients: potatoes, olive oil, and Himalayan sea salt. Nothing else.
But are these potatoes good potatoes?
I invite you to our head office, to our
Yeah.
kitchen.
Yeah.
You should see how we make everything, how we procure ingredients, how we manage, how we make. You must see. So we do a lot of factory visits
Okay.
for school kids, hotel management students,
Right.
even for a lot of government departments. So we invite them and show them how everything is made. So nothing is hidden. So you can call us, come to our factory and see yourself how everything is made.
Nick Bakers is synonymous with quality and consistency.
Yeah.
What is the secret? What is the secret of maintaining that quality and consistency when the orders are in
Yeah.
bulk and there are so many outlets? And I believe the production is happening at one center, which is
Yes,
Mohali.
it is.
This just sounds like a huge amount of work for me.
It is.
What
It
is
is.
it for
So
you?
there is no one formula to maintain high quality. I mean, I think right training, right systems involved, right softwares, right team. I think everything matters.
Everything is, since you spoke about softwares
Yes.
and teams and systems, is everything kind of operational on, is everything to do with technology,
Oh
or
yeah, I am working a
what kind of
lot
softwares
on
are
the
you?
technology part at our head office where we make all the cakes. So we are making everything. We started making cakes on an automated line.
You
So
did?
because we make like thousands of cakes every day,
Hmm.
so वो सारी automated lines लग रही हैं. Software में we use one of the best ERPs that's available in India. We use Microsoft. So to deliver the best at the table, you need the best of the best at the back end. So वो बहुत matter करती है चीज़.
Do you ever feel tired or pressurized or tense that, oh my god, because the scale, because of the scale, do you ever feel, oh my god, what काम है?
नहीं, it's the other way around. I love taking challenges. So जितना grow कर रहे हैं, जो भी challenges आ रहे हैं, I love it. I mean, and me, my whole family, we are so passionate about Nick Bakers. I mean, ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होता that we feel कि नहीं ये बहुत हो गया or it's too much, it's too stressful. I mean, maybe initially when we started, tab finding the right team, right manpower. I mean, that was the challenge. But now I think we have nailed pretty much all the areas in our company. So I think now it's much better.
What are the areas that you still want to improve or you still want to upgrade?
See, improvement is something that we do every day in every field. So whether it's finding better ingredient, better training model for our staff, um, you know, in every field, I'm always looking for improvement. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने कोई केक बनाया और वो बहुत स्वाद है, बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, and we stop there.
Do you also improve that recipe for that
Oh
cake?
yeah, all the time.
You do?
कुछ ना कुछ हमारी R&D चलती रहती है.
अच्छा.
So 365 days a year, there's some R&D going on every day.
और आपकी जो रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट टीम है,
Yeah.
वो उसमें भी सिर्फ फैमिली है और लोग?
नहीं, इसमें family is also involved, but then a team who's been working with me for so
Since the
many years,
beginning.
so they are also involved with me.
Do you still have employees who started with you when you started in, say,
Yeah,
Sector
yeah,
9 or
many,
35?
many.
You do?
Yeah, I do. I think more than 100 people are working with us for the last 15
From day
years,
one.
from day one.
Wow. That says something about
But
integrity.
attrition rate is very low. So we take care of our team, make sure they work in a good environment, they get good salary.
Do they also get good food, free
Yeah,
food?
yeah. All the time. All the
Yeah.
time. We do a lot of sampling for our staff
Yeah.
first. So whatever product I launch, so after it goes through my family, once they approve, then we do R&D at the factory, and then we send the product to all the stores. So we ask the managers, what do you think? Manager the staff, what do you think?
Acha, their
उसके
feedback
बाद
counts
we do trials
with the customer.
with the customer. So their feedback is very important because इन्होंने ही काम करना है ground
हाँ.
पे.
और इनको मतलब इनको सब चीजों का टेस्ट पता है, इनको पता है what is your quiche like or what is your cake like or what is your pastry like, everything.
Absolutely.
They get to enjoy Nick Bakers as much
They do.
as much
That's
as
how
we do.
they'll tell other customers कि वो उसका स्वाद कैसा है.
Right. Wow, that's very nice. So the Tri-City loves you. You know it, we know it. But now you're pan-India. How do you ensure that the soul of Nick Bakers is, it stays the same across the city?
So एक तो वही है, I told you that everything is made at one location. So that
The supply happens every day.
every day, fresh bakery goes from Mohali, from Jammu to Jaipur every day. So the truckload goes to all the locations. So that keeps the quality in check, and because everything is made in a head office, तो वो उससे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. But then we have a good training team, we have good team in the operations department.
So time to time, all outlets, all the employees at the outlets, they get the training.
They get the training. So we have a team of about 20 people. जिनका काम यही है कि उन्होंने सारे stores में visit करना है, and to monitor them, to train them, to talk to them, get their feedback. So we do all of a lot of that.
Wow. What is it that you think you do differently? What is your USP?
There is no USP. I mean, like
I,
people have
I'm not
asked
ready
me
to believe
this
this.
before,
How
but
is that
honestly, there
possible?
is no one success, one formula for success. There is you have to deliver the best in every field. So
And
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि USP क्या है. It's a bakery and a cafe chain. I mean, there is nothing extraordinary that we are doing. The cakes and the cookies and the chocolate, whatever we're making, I mean, it's like a normal bakery cafe item. There's nothing special that we have created. But yes, to deliver that freshness at the table, the whole ecosystem that we have built, made from the factory and delivered to Jammu to Jaipur. I mean, I think
that's what's special.
that's what's special. Yeah.
बट ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है कि आपका यूएसपी नहीं है?
नहीं है यूएसबी.
आप कह रहे हो ये सब चीजें कॉमन है,
ये
तो
कॉमन है,
अगर ये
सब जगह
कॉमन
मिलती
होती
है
तो फिर निक
केक्स.
बेकर्स इतना हिट कैसे होता?
नहीं वो देखिए वो रीजन ये है बिकॉज हम लोग क्वालिटी और फ्रेशनेस के ऊपर बहुत ध्यान देते हैं. अब मुझे कोई भी एक अगर सिंगल रेसिपी भी लॉन्च करनी है, इट टेक्स मी 6 मंथ्स, कभी कभी मुझे एक एक साल लग जाता है. बिकॉज सिर्फ उस प्रोडक्ट का टेस्ट नहीं है, बिकॉज रेसिपी तो कोई भी डेवलप कर लेगा. यू गो ऑन यूट्यूब, यू गो ऑन एनी इंस्टाग्राम, 2 बार बनाओगे, 10 बार बनाओगे, आपकी रेसिपी ठीक हो जाएगी. पर वो रेसिपी को आपने बना के 33-50 आउटलेट्स में आपने भेजना है, और वो भी आपने 2-3 दिन तक कस्टमर उसको कभी भी खरीद सकता है, और उसके बाद भी कस्टमर ने अपने घर 2-3 दिन तक खाना है. तो वो जो पूरा उसका R&D है,
हाँ.
वो हमें उसके लिए बहुत टाइम लगता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट टेक्स टाइम टू लॉन्च एनी प्रोडक्ट.
What goes behind the presentation which is so yummy looking, which is so tempting?
सो प्रेजेंटेशन में अगेन जब भी कोई नया प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं, तो वो मैं उसकी पूरी प्रेजेंटेशन वगैरह करके घर लेके जाता हूँ. एंड फैमिली
You
मेंबर्स दे
work on the
आल्सो.
presentation
या
also,
या
even the packaging.
एवरीथिंग पैकेजिंग इज ऑल डिजाइन बाय माय ब्रदर एंड हिज टीम. तो मीडिया एंड पैकेजिंग सारा वो देखता है. तो जितना भी आप पैकेजिंग देख रहे हो,
Right.
सारा नितिन ने क्रिएट किया हुआ है.
Okay.
I mean, he has really elevated the entire, the bakery,
The
all
look.
the products that we sell. बल्कि जो हम 10 साल 15 साल पहले जैसे बेचते थे और आज जैसे बेच रहे हैं, तो वो पैकेजिंग प्लेज अ बिग रोल.
It does.
तो वो सारा प्रेजेंटेशन मैं करता हूँ, उसके डिजाइन्स वगैरह बना के फैमिली के पास लेके जाता हूँ. एंड देन वंस दे अप्रूव और दे माइट गिव मी सम आइडिया, कि नहीं इसको ऐसे करो या वैसे करो. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी.
And to make it so enticing कि हाँ कोई भी किसी का भी मन करे कि चखना है ना?
Yeah.
So what's the role of colors in food, and are these colors safe?
Yeah, we use only food grade colors, so no synthetic colors. Absolutely, synthetic colors, preservatives,
No preservatives.
any kind of artificial flavor, we don't use. अभी मैं वैसे भी बहुत काम कर रहा हूँ इन क्लीनिंग द लेबल्स. क्लीनिंग द लेबल्स मतलब कोई भी ऐसा इंग्रेडिएंट जो आपको समझ में ना आया कस्टमर लेवल पे, वो होगा ही नहीं उसके अंदर. अब सारी ब्रेड्स में हमने प्रेजर्वेटिव्स डालने बंद कर दिए हैं. मतलब पहले डालते थे, सिट्रिक एसिड डालते थे,
Yeah.
जो कि आपके टूथपेस्ट में भी है,
Right.
वो भी बंद कर दिए हमने.
अच्छा.
ऑर्गेनिक शुगर डालते हैं. वी यूज इंस्टेड ऑफ वाइट सॉल्ट, आयोडाइज सॉल्ट, वी यूज सी सॉल्ट. तो मतलब जहाँ पे इंग्रेडिएंट की क्वालिटी ऊपर हो सकती है, बेटर हो सकती है, आई एम वर्किंग अ लॉट ऑन दैट. बिकॉज आज की डेट में कस्टमर्स दे आर वेल अवेयर अबाउट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स. यू कैन पिक अप एनीथिंग, उसके पीछे इंग्रेडिएंट्स लिखे हुए हैं. एंड आई मीन who doesn't want to eat which has clean label?
Yeah.
So we're working a lot on that.
And all of this also means a lot of cost. The price then
Oh, of
that
course.
goes
I mean,
up.
when you're cleaning the label,
Yeah.
when you're adding
Quality.
definitely the price goes up a little bit. But we are trying not to. But sometimes we do have to hike up the price just because, the quality of the ingredients that we are using now versus what we were using a year ago or before that.
And from where do you procure your ingredients? If it's a secret, that's
No,
okay.
no,
But
there's,
then
there is honestly, there is no secret about Nick Bakers. You come and see our factory anytime. I'll show you my kitchens. We'll show you our ingredients. There is no secret at all.
I would love to do that. Maybe, I'm going to make a quick tour.
Sure, I think you should.
And
It's
I'll
very
also
important.
post it on my channel. then.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
you should.
Yeah.
So secret kuch nahi hai. Ingredients we procure from all over India.
Okay.
And then all the imported ingredients we have importers in India, and I tell them, okay, I want this particular ingredient from this country, so they import it for me. So that's how we work.
In all this, almost 2 decades now, maintaining that quality, maintaining that class, maintaining the whole vibe of Nick Bakers, what has been your learning?
Learning is, I believe in, learning something every day. कुछ ना कुछ improvement, कुछ ना कुछ नया, maybe something I might have read or sort of might have seen something on YouTube or Google or Instagram. Somebody else might be doing, and then I travel a lot. I visit a lot of exhibitions all around the world. I mean, visiting exhibitions, it really enhances, it really opens up of the world that I'm in, so that helps a lot. I learn a lot from there. Learning is something I believe in like every day.
That's very nice. And while learning happens every day, from 2006 till 2025, what have been the biggest lessons
Biggest lesson
in
again,
business, in family, in creating a brand?
business lesson is keep working hard, keep learning, keep on giving value added addition to our customers because you don't want customers to get bored. So something कुछ ना कुछ नया चलते रहना चाहिए. As you
Right.
can see, this is like a new face of Nick Bakers.
Yeah.
अभी ये हमने new face launch किया था last year when we
Okay.
opened Jubilee. But now we have changed the entire interiors of Nick Bakers. We've changed. There is a lot that has changed on our menu.
Okay.
So kuch na kuch naya we keep on adding. We don't let our customers feel
Get
bored.
bored.
Get bored. Yeah.
And that was from business aspect. As a person, for you, as a businessman, as a chef, as a creator of such yummy looking things, what has been your biggest lesson?
My biggest lesson is to work, like keep on working hard, keep on reading, keep yourself up to date with what's happening around the world. That's very important. So yeah, I mean that's as any business owner, I think that's very important to keep yourself up to date.
While many have seen you as a homegrown brand because you started from Chandigarh, now you represent because aap Chandigarh ke ho, right?
Yeah.
Anybody would say if we talk of Nick Bakers anywhere, we'll say, oh, nahi, wo to Chandigarh ke hai.
Yeah.
So somewhere on the global platform and all across India, you're also representing Chandigarh now.
Right.
How does that feel? And do you sometimes feel some kind of pressure that okay, there's this responsibility. I'm also representing now a city.
No, I mean obviously because especially the brand has my name, Nick.
Yeah, Nick, you are
So
Nick.
it itself is a big responsibility because people they know that this brand
Nick?
is run by Nick and his family. So वो अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी responsibility है. So doesn't matter if I open any store in any new city or in Tri City, responsibility and yeah, अपना emotions responsibility उतना ही है जितना यहाँ होता है.
Nice. And abhi hum thoda sa, let's talk about products and
Yeah.
innovations. So from sourdough breads to indulgent pastries, your menu has this international flavor. There is a lot of international influence. And you've trained in Australia. So how much of your Australian training is here on Showcase?
Oh, everything. Whatever I've learned in Australia, I mean, I've brought that to India, to Chandigarh. So the way of working, that's very important. I mean, how to see again, creating a recipe is not it's not rocket science. Anybody can do that. But to create a recipe and to feed 33 or more locations, I think that's what I've learned in Australia. So I used to
Wow,
work.
this is all your Australian training.
It's all my Australian training. Like when I was working in Australia, a place, a bakery where I used to work, I used to see my boss that he's so particular about systems. He was so particular about hygiene, quality. So वो सब जो मैंने वहाँ सीखा है, उसी की वजह से मैं आज
यहाँ आप
यहाँ
apply कर पा
हूँ.
रहे हो.
Even at a factory level in a kitchen, मैं वही बार बार वही ट्रेनिंग देते हैं सबको कि आप जितना मर्जी काम करो, but has to be done in a very clean way and the standard should be very high. तो ऐसा नहीं है जैसे कई लोग बोलते हैं कि गंदा शेफ फूड का मतलब काम बहुत किया है. गंदा शेफ कोड का मतलब गंदा काम किया है.
ये भी
So
ठीक
it's very
बात है.
important. आप
Yeah.
जितना मर्जी busy हो, you have to keep your chef
Yourself.
coats clean. You
Yeah.
have to keep your uniform clean.
Yeah.
That's why chefs they wear white,
Yeah.
chef coat. So that's the main reason that
That
it should show.
reminds
Yeah.
me that I was reading somewhere that you still, go in the kitchen and create things yourself. You have like a huge team now. You were talking about 1,500 people,
Yeah.
but you still go behind
Oh,
the
I
scenes
do.
and you still cook and you still
Every day,
create
every day,
every
every
day.
day, some kind of new research
Wow.
or new recipe development, a new product launch. So everything is done by me. I mean, I have a team who's working with me from last 10, 15 years.
That must be
But
next level dedication.
it is, it is. I mean, because I'm so passionate about Nick Bakers, about baking, so it makes it easier for me.
All your soul is in
Yeah.
every product.
Oh,
It's like,
it
yeah.
is, for sure.
And since we're talking about creation, do you remember what was the first product or first thing that you created? And it's probably still on the menu. Is it still on the menu? What was the
Yeah.
first thing that you created for
I
Nick
think
Bakers?
it's not one. So I used to make these muffins. So we have a supermarket called MG Supermarket.
Yes.
So before we opened Nick Bakers, so I used to make muffins like Blue Marie muffins and chocolate chip muffin. So मैं वहाँ हम लोग अपने सुपरमार्केट में बेचते थे. Just
Okay.
थोड़ा थोड़ा 10-10 पीस
Right,
बनाए और
right,
काउंटर पे रख के
right.
बेच दिए. And people used to love it.
Yeah. मुझे याद है
So
मैंने
that's
भी खाया है वो.
so that's one thing that I remember, and my whole family remembers that.
Yeah.
तो वो I think that.
Did it make it to Nick Bakers?
Yeah.
It's still
The
there?
chocolate chip muffin and blueberry muffin is still the same.
It's
What it
still
was 18
there?
years ago,
आज
19
भी
years ago.
मिलती है
आज
यहाँ
भी
पे?
वही है.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. And while I know this was the first item we spoke about, what's your own personal favorite item? Something
Honestly,
you still can't resist. ये सब खा खा के थक
हाँ.
गए होगे.
नहीं
But
कभी भी
नहीं
नहीं
थके.
कभी भी नहीं. And honestly, every single thing that we have at Nick Bakers is my favorite. I don't have a favorite
ऐसे कैसे
product,
हो
but
सकता
ऐसा
है कि
होता है
कुछ
कि
तो होगा जो ज्यादा स्पेशल है, जो which every time you look at it and you be like मेरे को खाना.
see, coffee is something that I need my coffee every day. So
And there's a certain way of preparing this coffee.
no, we use a very high quality beans, so that makes it special. And even the coffee machines that we use, they're one of the best in the world because वो calibration और जो उसका coffee का जो shot है, वो जो निकलता है, that makes a big difference in the quality of the coffee.
Wow.
So that's one thing that I need even when I'm traveling, I miss Nick Baker's coffee
Oh, nice. I'm going to try it too.
for sure.
While you say all of these things are your favorite, there must be one favorite. You said coffee, but खाने में भी बताओ ना.
खाने में जैसे I crave.
Then we'll keep it in mind and we'll make sure हर बारी हम भी वो खा के जाए.
See, crave तो मैं काफी कुछ करता हूँ, but yes, one product which I crave the most when I'm not in India is our almond cookies.
Almond cookies.
हाँ,
Yeah.
almond cookies
they
के
are
definitely. I think
yummy.
मेरी family भी agree करेगी इस चीज को
डब्बे
कि वो
लेके
कुकी ऐसी है कि जब भी हम बाहर होते हैं इंडिया से तो मन करता है कि यार चाय पी रहे हैं, कॉफी पी रहे हैं, इसके बाद निक बेकर्स की अगर आमंड कुकीज हो तो मजा आ जाए. Yeah, they're like normal cakes, cookies that we make. But yeah, I mean, way of making using right quality ingredients.
Thank you.
That is something that we really focus on.
Thank you. Wow,
So,
this is your palm fresh pizza.
this is the palm fresh thin crust pizza.
Nice.
So you should try it. And these are the chips that I was
Okay, you were
talking
talking
about,
about.
made with just olive oil.
Just olive oil.
Just olive oil, Himalayan sea salt, and paprika. And so yeah, try some. Here.
The whole table
The
is
now,
laid,
yeah, of
and there are
course.
so many colors. Is that the coffee you miss while traveling?
This is basically cappuccino, but it's made with oat milk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you allergic to?
No, I'm not. No,
You're
I just
not that-
avoid dairy
Okay.
every day. I mean, I love milk cappuccino made with milk, like whole milk.
Yeah.
But on daily basis, I avoid dairy.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the reason? Since
Nothing,
you're the food scientist, always playing with
I
ingredients.
think
I
it's
want to
just it's a healthier option
know. Okay.
having coffee every day in oat milk, and I like the taste of oat milk too.
The coffee is here. Chips, we were talking about it. They're here. The pizza looks yummy.
Yes.
इनमें से आपका फेवरेट खाने वाला इंग्रेडिएंट कौन सा है? क्योंकि कॉफी आपने बता दी दैट दिस यू मिस इवन व्हाइल
Yeah.
traveling. There must be, is this your favorite thing? This you've
So
recently
these are
created. What is it?
definitely one of my favorite, but my the most favorite is, I would say, almond cookie, which my family also they'll agree with that.
Wow.
So this is something that I crave um, the most when I'm traveling out of India. So जब भी when I'm in Canada or anywhere else, तो
You
कोई
crave
coffee
for
आती है, so I crave for almond cookies made by Nick Bakers.
and you've changed the packing.
We work a lot on improving
Yeah.
and changing the packaging. Yes, so you
Wow.
should open it and try it, but
Maybe
maybe
after
you
the
should try
pizza.
the pizza
Yeah.
first.
Yeah. Wow, the table looks so colorful.
Up try karo, see how
Yeah.
the pizza
Let's grab
is.
a bite. So the pizza is quite nice. I'm enjoying my chai. I'm going to soon enjoy the cookie as well. Your favorite coffee.
Yeah,
How's it?
it's nice. This cappuccino made with oat milk.
Yeah, I just feel that my chai looks very pica in front of your coffee.
No, you should try it too. You should try it too. I mean, I because I drink 2 cups of coffee a day, so I don't drink dairy every day. So कभी oat milk के साथ, कभी almond milk के साथ. So that this one is cappuccino made with oat milk. You should try it. It's nice.
And between oat milk and almond milk, what's better?
Um, I think they're both very different. Some people they like oat milk. Some people they love almond milk. So I think from person to person, I think
Thank you.
you
That
should
was
try.
quick.
Try, have a sip.
Wow. Smells different. I mean, when I come here, I usually have your smoothie. That's my forever favorite. In fact, there are days when I want to skip lunch and I will just grab a smoothie from Sector
Nice.
35 Nick
Okay.
Bakers. Your hangover smoothie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because it's so yummy.
Yeah. Thank you. So we recently
Yeah, and the
launched
taste is
more
different.
smoothies.
You did?
So we
Okay.
have one of our top selling smoothies, My Green Smoothie. So which is made with almond butter, chia seed, almond milk,
Is
spinach.
is it for the protein lovers?
No, it's not just for protein lovers because it's smoothie.
Yeah.
So I mean, it tastes really good and it's very healthy.
And this smoothie, the ingredients also you tried and you first created and tested and all of that.
Yeah. Of course.
This, have you tried such green smoothie that you're saying anywhere else?
I mean, smoothie trend these days it's very trendy all over the world. So Canada, US, Europe में आप जाओ, so you'll see a lot of smoothie salad stores opening up. So I get a lot of inspiration from there.
And like you said, you have to stay updated and you would
You
have to
have
know
to.
what are the trends so that your
Absolutely.
customers don't get
Yeah.
bored.
I'm also planning to open a cafe called Nick Cafe, which is a healthy cafe store. I think in about 3-4 months it'll be ready. That'll be a first cafe store where I'll be serving healthy salads, smoothies.
And it's for Chandigarh?
It's for Chandigarh. So same, we'll
Chandigarh.
start from Sector 9.
Okay.
जहाँ से निक बेकर शुरू हुआ था तो वो निक कैफे भी वहीं से शुरू कर रहे हैं.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wow. So a new cafe is coming in Chandigarh, and that's a really interesting piece of news that you've shared with our viewers. I'm glad. And that's an entire new project. But when it comes to your menu, are you planning to add something in the coming future, in the coming months?
Yeah, all the time. Maybe recently we've added chips that I told you about.
Yeah.
We've added Kunafa bar, which is very
Okay.
famous in Dubai. So it's
Yeah.
chocolate which has Kunafa and pistachio inside the chocolate. So we've launched that. We started making products with burrata cheese, burrata salad,
Yeah.
burrata pizza. That's very famous these days. And so we keep on adding. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कोई नया प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा हूँ तो निक बेकर्स को बोल रहा हूँ.
Right.
निक बेकर्स की
Center.
मेन्यू के ऊपर कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता है all the time. My brother, he recently launched lot of variety in coffee beans. So we made a model called Nick Baker Select, in which you can choose. So there's about six different varieties of coffee beans. So you can choose कि कौन सी beans की coffee आपने पीनी है.
Acha, so that's for your customers.
That's for our
मतलब मैं यहाँ
customers.
आके
तो
वो
यहाँ
coffee
आके
select
you can
करूँगी.
you can smell the coffee bean.
Yeah.
There's a coffee which is mild, there's a coffee which is medium, one is dark roast. So you can choose कि आपने कौन सी cappuccino, कौन सी bean से पीनी है. So we've launched that. So he's also launched a really nice mocktail menu. So we keep on adding something in the ethnic bakers.
Now, coming to where it all gets created, your facility that you've set up in Mohali. Um, I've heard it's a huge space that you've
Yeah.
set up,
It's
right?
about 150,000 square feet.
That must be
Yeah.
a lot of
So
maintenance
we made
happening
that
there also.
factory to feed about 100 locations. So when you come there, we'll show you. I mean,
Yeah.
it's something that we tell our customer that you must see what's behind Nick Bakers. So we invite people. We feel proud of inviting people to our factory and show them how everything is made.
Everything is
Because a lot of
created.
people they think that Nick Bakers is the price is on the higher side, but it's not just the ingredient because of which the product gets, the cost gets high. It's how you make it, how you
Yeah.
manage it. So when you see that, then you come to know, आप बोलोगे नहीं महंगा नहीं सस्ता है.
Ah, okay. This is for sure that we're definitely going to do a video.
Yeah.
And we'll show people, we'll take a tour of the
Sure.
place and show people how things are created.
That'll be nice.
That'll be next. But Nikhil, the way you're expanding and you plan to, launch many more stores, you were saying that in the coming months, 2, 3 months, there are going to be some 18 more stores. Are you, and then all these 33 stores so far, they're all family run business.
Yeah.
Are you thinking of, choosing the franchise model now? You
No,
think it's time?
franchise, we gave one store that was our first franchise and first and the last store. So we have decided we will not give franchise of Nick Bakers.
No?
I mean, never say never. I mean, but this for now, we have decided not to.
Even
But,
those
but in future, what happens, I don't know.
even those 18 stores that you've planned in
It's
the
all
coming
company-owned
months,
stores.
they're going to
Yeah.
be company-owned
Yeah.
stores.
Yeah.
That's
we
like
wanna give-
adding
we
more
wanna-
and more to your
Yeah,
responsibility.
I mean, it makes a big difference when you're managing things on your own. You have the responsibility of your business, of your stores. So वो quality में बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. When you have things in your own hand.
And the responsibility also
Oh,
keeps growing.
Absolutely.
When you walk into a city like Jaipur, and I guess Bombay is on the cards.
Yeah, Bombay,
Yeah.
we're working on the Mumbai
Yeah.
Bangalore project.
What do you want your first time customers to experience when they enter Nick Bakers? Is it the ambience? Is it the food? Is it the feel? Is it the colors? Is it the service?
It's everything. I want them to experience what Nick Bakers is known for. I mean, we are known for not just the food, we're known for everything. It's the entire ecosystem that we have made. So when you walk in the store, the layout, how we present everything, how staff behaves, how the food should taste. So everything matters.
Will it be right to say when it comes to pricing, to maintain high quality, it's non-negotiable pricing? Is
Absolutely not. I mean, that's quality is something that we will not negotiate, not compromise at all. I mean, because of that, sometimes the price of the product is quite high, but then for us, quality is something that we don't compromise. So sometimes, yeah, products the price point can get high, but then uh, that's how we work. We want to keep our standards and quality very high.
So, since you are hands-on in the kitchen even today, who is your inspiration? Who's the chef or somebody you followed since your childhood? Who's been your inspiration?
My inspiration is my mother from day one. She cooks yummy food. So anything that we make, हमें जब तक मम्मा अप्रूव नहीं कर देते,
तब तक
तब
approve
तक
नहीं
वो
होगा.
आगे नहीं जा सकता प्रोडक्ट. So it makes a big difference.
Do you help her in the kitchen even today? I mean, these days because you the chef. So आप अपने mom की help करते हो kitchen
No,
में?
I do. Like बचपन में तो मम्मा बहुत तंग होते थे मेरे से because मम्मा जब किचन में कोई केक बना रहे हैं, कुछ बना रहे हैं, तो मैं चले जाता था and I used to make a big mess. So I don't make a big mess anymore. But yeah, I do go and help her in the
still
kitchen.
help her
Yeah.
in the kitchen. And you, even as a kid, you had interest in food.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, बचपन से ही शौक था मुझे किचन
Cake,
का,
खाने
केक का,
का.
खाने का, बनाने का. तो वो शौक मेरे फादर ने देखा मुझे. आई हैड नो आइडिया कि मैंने शेफ बनना है. वो मेरे फादर ने मुझे गाइड किया, कहते कि तेरे को बेकरी का कोर्स करना चाहिए.
It was his
It
idea.
was his idea.
Wow.
So
He discovered
मेरा
that chef
the
in you much
logo, the
earlier.
face is me, but actual the पूरा concept और
It's
जो
your
मैं आज
father.
हूँ, जो भी हूँ, is all because of my father. So he's also involved in the business. So he takes care of one segment of the business, but he's like semi-retired. But सारा idea निक बेकर्स का नाम मेरा मेरा फेस लोगो होना चाहिए. मुझे शेफ बनना चाहिए. मुझे बेकरी का कोर्स करना चाहिए. I should go and study overseas. I should come back. And he insisted me to open a bakery. Everything was his idea from day one. So he's a visionary. I mean, अब पापा तो जब मैं 10th में था बात करते थे कि कहते कि अगर हम लोग इंडियंस अगर ब्रेड खानी शुरू कर दें इतनी फैक्ट्री लग ही नहीं सकती अगर
जितनी
अगर जितनी
पॉपुलेशन है।
पॉपुलेशन है. सो वो मेरे दिमाग में क्लिक कर गया आइडिया. मैं ही इज राइट.
ये
सो
आपके फादर ने
ये मेरे
बोला।
फादर का है. सो वट एवर हु एवर वी आर एंड वेयर एवर वी आर नाउ इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ हिम.
That's really sweet of you to acknowledge,
Yeah.
you know, his contribution in your journey and to say upfront, yeah, I am
Absolutely.
whatever I am because of my
And my
father.
brother, I mean, he's also as much involved in the business as I am. I mean, even though Nick Baker's के नाम पे Nick लिखा हुआ है, but it's not just Nick. It's
It's
Nick, Nitin,
everybody.
and Vinod. So तीनों मिलके हम चलाते हैं company. You know, Vinod Mittal is my father's name, and Nitin is my brother's name. So the
Yes.
whole family, all of us, we run the whole show. I mean, it's not just one man who's running the whole company. So yeah.
And this also makes me feel that you're a very close knit family, very close to each other. The bond that you guys share is also very full
It
of
is.
love and care.
Yeah.
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 Do you want to share something more about your family? I mean, of course, Nick Bakers would be like the center of discussion for everybody, and this must be something that you guys are all working on together. But what else do you guys share? What else, do you guys enjoy together when you're not focused on Nick
I mean,
Bakers?
food is one thing that we really enjoy. I mean, so we all get together and we have nice meals and we laugh, we giggle, we have a good time. I
Yeah.
mean, that's something. But then again, food is something that makes the moment very special.
As we're talking about your family, tell me, what does your daughter love the most about your cooking? Or, if you create something special for every now and then,
Yeah.
just to please her.
So my daughter, she loves, I mean, obviously the cookies and the cakes that I make, she loves that. Like I make a really nice a chocolate chip, chewy chocolate chip cookie, so she loves that. And I also make a really nice South Indian curry, chicken madras
Oh
curry,
my God.
and mutton rogan josh. So I make good mutton. So my daughter, she's fond of
All of these
mutton.
things,
Yeah, she's 4.5 years old.
Yeah.
पर उसको मीट मटन का बहुत शौकीन है.
और आप उसके लिए बना के
हाँ,
देते
उसके लिए बनाता हूँ. बहुत खाती है उसको.
सो बिजनेसमैन शेफ ये सारी और जो डैड बन के वो जो ड्यूटीज हैं वो करने में कितना मजा आता है.
Obviously, I mean, having her around me, that's the best time of my life. I mean, I love her. I mean, I love cooking for her. And वो 4.5 साल की है, but उसको पता सब कुछ है. She knows.
She has your
She had
genes.
all the. She knows about all the cuisines. She knows about Japanese, like sushi. उसका बहुत
उसको पता है ये सब अभी.
शौकीन है वो. हाँ, सब पता है उसको.
She already has so much exposure about food, world food.
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, हम लोग भी ट्राई करते हैं जब उसको बाहर कभी लेके जाएं. So we don't treat her like a kid. So she'll sit with us in a restaurant and then she will order food. Whatever we'll order, she'll order the same. I mean, even though she's 4.5 years old. I mean, but still, I mean, उसके जो palates हैं वो हमारे जैसे ही हैं.
उसको सब पता है.
सब पता है उसको.
And she enjoys also.
Yeah, she loves it.
Nice. अभी हम बात कर रहे थे कि आपको कौन इंस्पायर करता है एंड यू सेड योर मदर एंड योर फादर व्हेन इट कम्स टू अ ब्रांड आई मीन मे बी इन इंडिया मे बी आउटसाइड लाइक निक बेकर्स इज अ ब्रांड आर देयर अदर ब्रांड्स दैट इंस्पायर यू एनीवेयर अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड.
I mean, there are a lot of brands like Starbucks. I mean,
It
hats off
inspires
to
you?
the guy. I mean, the company, they have so many, almost 40,000 stores. I mean, they have really, that inspires the most because having such a large cafe chain is commendable. I mean, but then there are a lot of restaurant chains around the
Like
world
what?
that inspires me. Like there is a bakery chain in Canada because my daughter, my wife lives there.
Yeah.
There is a bakery chain which is close to our house. बहुत अच्छी उनकी सावरडो है. बहुत अच्छे केक्स बनाते हैं. मैडिस करके नाम है उसका. तो I keep on looking at other brands कि कौन क्या कर रहा है. As I said, it's very important to keep yourself up to date.
Yeah.
वो that's how you improve. Because अगर आप देखोगे ही नहीं इधर उधर दुनिया में क्या बन रहा है, कौन क्या कर रहा है, then how are you going to improve?
We know your vision for the next 2 months, and we know the constant improvement that you keep bringing. What is your vision when we talk about next 5 years?
See, as such, कोई next 5 years vision नहीं है. We work hard. Our vision is like a mission. विजन की जगह मिशन की बात
Mission
करो
क्या
तो
है?
वो
हाँ?
हमारे लिए ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. मिशन अभी ये है कि नेक्स्ट 18 स्टोर डिलीवर करने नेक्स्ट 6 months एंड ऑल 18 स्टोर शुड बी डिलीवर्ड प्रॉपरली. कस्टमर शुड फील हैप्पी. बट एज सच कोई 5 year प्लान वगैरह नहीं होता.
नहीं.
हम लोग नहीं सोचते उसका बिकॉज एवरी ईयर व्हेन यू ग्रो द कंपनी you have so many responsibilities. What you think about the company, it changes. So आज मैं उससे आपको बोलूँ कि नहीं मेरे 5 साल बाद मैंने 50 stores और खोलने हैं. Next year I might the numbers might change or the vision might change. So we don't
But एक
plan
कोई
so
thought
ahead.
भी नहीं है कि this is where I see my brand going, or this is what I want to achieve
I mean, I
down the
want
line.
to achieve is that I want to take Nick Baker's like Chandigarh homegrown brand to a global level. I mean, that would be a dream come true. So that is something that will really, I hope it happens in next 10 years, 5, 10 years.
Wow. Well,
So
we
हम
hope
दुबई से
that
मैंने
too.
बताया अब दुबई से शुरू कर रहे हैं.
So you're starting in Dubai.
We are starting, we're working on a project in Dubai. So I'll be setting up my manufacturing unit in Dubai and hopefully by mid next year we'll have a first store in Dubai. Thank you.
Very impressive. And while we've spoken so much about Nick Bakers, and we're here because there is Nick Bakers. But I want to know more about the person I'm talking to you,
Yeah.
the person I'm talking to right now. And tell me, other than food and business, what are the things that you enjoy doing? What are the what are the things that you like to do in your downtime?
So I love spending time with my family. I'm a family person. I love traveling, eating out. I mean, that's something I love the most. I read books.
You do.
I try to read books on daily basis, but sometimes I don't get time. But yeah, I mean, traveling, spending time with family is something that I love the most.
And in traveling, what kind of places do you visit? Or
Anywhere,
is it
anywhere in the
nature?
world.
Is it beaches? Is it mountains? What?
It's everything. I mean, traveling out of India, traveling to Europe, other countries. It could be just a walk at the lake. I love that. Me and my wife, we love walking at Sukna Enclave,
Okay.
Sukna Lake, Chandigarh mein jo hai. So yeah, I mean, these are the things we enjoy the most.
Simple.
Simple things.
Behind this brand is a very simple man.
It is very simple. Like people who don't know me, they think that I'm a very serious man, but I'm
Yeah.
not.
Chill person.
I'm a very chill person, very relaxed, very chill person. Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Now let's do a quick Nick Bake round. Why I've named this Nick Bake is because we're going to bake some fun out of this conversation.
Sure.
And I have Nikhil sitting with me. Do you ever get tired of sweets, even though you have a sweet tooth?
No, I don't.
No?
Absolutely not. I love it.
You love sweets?
Yeah.
Okay. And have you ever secretly baked at home for your family, which is not there on the menu, which you've not even brought it on the menu, but which is a hit in the family?
Oh, all the time.
What is it? Tell
So
us.
we make this mushroom bonbons,
Okay.
which my family loves. We make like a all vanilla tea cake with vanilla frosting, जो Nick Bakers के नहीं है. So there are a lot of items that I keep it just
That
for the
is just for
family.
the family.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we know that there are some things that are still there are possibilities that they might come
For
on
sure,
the
it
menu.
will
Yeah.
eventually.
And what's the funniest or most unexpected customer request you've received?
Um, a feedback somebody gave me 5, 6 years ago that I met this couple at GK store, and the couple they were having food at the store, and I walked in, and they came to me and they said, "We want to thank you because we are happily married and we have kids, all because of you." I'm like, "How is that possible?"
Yeah.
He said, "We met at your store in GK
Yeah.
over the brownie that you make,
Yeah.
and I proposed my wife
With
at your store."
Wow.
So that was a really nice story that I heard from
That
a
built
customer. Yeah,
at Nick
it was really
Bakers.
nice, very touching.
And any silly or funny or strange request by a customer?
Um, as such, I don't recall any silly requests, but yes, we do like pretty much everything that we have at Nick Bakers, most of the items are requested by the customers. So back in 2006 when we opened Nick Bakers, it was just a small bakery. We had no cafe, no coffee machine, nothing at all. So people used to one customer came, he said, Nick, yaar, tu cookies nahi achhi bana raha hai. Why don't you start serve coffee? So I thought, okay, that's a good
Why
idea.
not?
So
Yeah.
we set up a small coffee machine. And one customer came, he said, man, you have multi-grain bread, why don't you make a multi-grain sandwich? So that's how we started Nick Baker's, our cafe
Will it be
menu.
yeah? Will it be right to say then that Nick Baker expanded on customer request?
Oh, absolutely,
Yeah.
all the time.
Wow.
We take our customers' feedback, their suggestions very seriously. So any feedback on Google or anywhere, they all come directly to me.
They do.
They do.
Oh, so that feedback mechanism is linked to your
Yeah,
phone.
yeah, it is. It is.
Anybody who's listening,
Yeah.
the feedback goes to
For
Niket.
good 10-15 years, जो टोल फ्री नंबर होता है वो मेरा पर्सनल नंबर था.
हाँ.
I mean, nobody knew that.
Okay.
But it was my personal number. But then I had to change the number
Yeah.
because I was getting
With
too many calls.
and with the way you've expanded, I'm sure you couldn't have handled so many calls.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you had to describe Chandigarh in a dessert, what would it be?
In a dessert, oh wow,
What dessert comes to your mind when you think of Chandigarh?
like dessert from Nick Baker's. I mean, I think
Why not?
a nice chocolate mousse.
Mousse,
A
chocolate mousse.
nice velvety chocolate mousse is something that I think Chandigarh has because the moment you enter Chandigarh, doesn't matter from wherever you're coming, it's like a relief. So
Yeah.
it's like when you take a bite from of a chocolate
Melting
mousse,
in your mouth.
that relief that you get is when you reach Chandigarh. So I think chocolate mousse would be
That's nice. The analogy you made, yeah. Okay. Cake or cookies? Your pick when no one's watching. ऐसे मुझे पता है.
cookies, almond cookies. I told you.
Yeah, this you disclosed. I mean, I was not expecting that you'll tell me, but this is your
Yeah.
favorite thing. Yeah. So my
Oh, no.
question got wasted. Anyway, if you could share a meal with any three people, dead or alive, पूरी दुनिया में कोई भी तीन ऐसे लोग जिनके साथ आप बैठ के खाना खाना चाहते हैं, वो कौन होंगे?
I mean, for me, as I told you, my family
We
is
know that.
is always
Like, but tell
out of
me
out
from
of
the world,
from the world. I think
dead or alive, maybe your inspiration, maybe somebody's story that touched you as a kid, or you maybe wanted to meet them.
I mean, Chef Gordon Ramsay is someone that would be nice to sit with him, even though he's a very strict, very disciplined chef. It would be nice to have a meal with him at Nick Baker's and him getting angry at me. I mean, that's something,
That'll be fun.
that
Yeah.
would be fun.
Yeah.
And
That's one.
that's
Two more.
one. And I think, like I met Vikas Khanna recently at his restaurant Bungalow.
Yeah.
So I think it would be nice to have a meal with him. He's a fun guy. I met him.
I've also met him and
Yeah. So
interviewed
he's a
him.
fun guy. So
Yeah.
I would love it whenever he comes to Chandigarh. I'll invite him to Nick Baker. So I think he's an inspiration.
And number three would be
Number three, I think. Number three, as of now, I can only think about my family because my family
you
is everything for
really
me.
love your family.
Yeah, I do.
That's really adorable. Okay. One ingredient you cannot live without in your kitchen. It has to be there.
One ingredient. I think olive oil is something which I think is a must in my kitchen. Um, Pretty much in every kind of cooking, I use olive oil. So it's one ingredient for sure.
This also has olive oil?
No, it does not.
Okay.
But in our breads, we have actually stopped using any other oil. So all the breads are made with olive oil.
Oh.
So that's a very important ingredient for us.
And other than coffee and your almond cookie, one thing that you have to have every day, it may not be Nick Baker's, but it has to be on your diet
I mean,
every day.
for breakfast, I eat sourdough bread.
Okay.
So I eat like omelette pretty much every day. So omelette and Nick Baker's sourdough bread is something that I have to have every day.
Since you're sharing your breakfast, tell us about your lunch and dinner as
Oh,
well.
it's very simple. Like breakfast, omelette and bread, or paranti. I love parantis. I love puda.
Okay.
So breakfast में ये हो गया, lunch में anything, सब्जी, रोटी, दाल,
Okay.
nothing special,
Simple.
home
Okay.
cooked food. And रात को again sometimes grilled chicken. मम्मा ने कुछ बनाया हो घर पे, you know, wife she might have cooked some grilled fish or something. So nothing fancy, but very simple home cooked
Healthy.
food. Yeah.
And you're very conscious of what goes in your tummy.
I am, but I'm not like a health freak.
You're not
So I'll
fussy.
rather eat one pronti with lots of white butter instead of having three prontis. So I
Okay.
don't compromise on the taste, but I'll compromise on the quantity.
Quantity. Right. Right. Is there something else that you want to tell us about Nick Baker's journey or your journey, which we may have missed in the conversation?
Mm, I think I think we pretty much covered everything. But yeah, I mean, a lot of hard work my whole family has put in. I mean, that's something which I'm lucky that I have, family like that. Papa, Mama, my brother, his wife, Prakriti, my wife, Sharon. I mean, all of us, all of them, they put in so much hard work. So that's something I'll always, respect and appreciate the most.
Although from this conversation, I understand that you're working with this one point focus of expanding Nick Bakers and maintaining the quality and making sure that more and more stores are opened and like it's expanding. In all this, do you ever feel that there's competition in the market, or who must be your competition? I don't know. I mean, how do you look at competition?
I don't really see competition, like who's my competition. But yeah, I mean, whenever I'm traveling overseas, I do go to a lot of bakeries. I was traveling to Paris, London 2 months ago. So what chefs are doing in a place like that, I do visit and see कि क्या हो रहा है वहाँ पे आजकल, what's trendy, what these Michelin star or these European chefs are doing. But I don't, it's not that I consider anybody my competition. I don't look at being competitive with anybody. I mean,
Why
हम लोग
not?
अपना ही कर रहे हैं जो भी कर रहे हैं, मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कोई बेकरी हमारे साथ खुली हुई है या हमारे सिटी में खुली है and we try to copy it. Honestly, we do not. I mean, we have our own way of working. I mean, what others are doing in my city we don't look at it. But yes, when I travel out of India, then I do see what these European chefs are doing. I mean, that's very important for us.
Because you want to bring those
Yeah, because
standards.
bakery is all European stuff, right? So it's important for us to see कि क्या हो क्या रहा है बाहर इंडिया के.
Thank you for such an interesting
Thank you.
conversation with a table full of
Thank you.
food and yummy treats.
Thank
It
you so
was
much.
very interesting to know how over 20 years you've grown, you've expanded, and this brand is known all over.
Thank
But
you.
you're still such a simple, humble man.
Thank you so much. And you must visit our factory and see
100%.
how everything is made.
Yeah.
And I request all the viewers too. I mean, they can seriously come and see what's behind Nick Bakers.
Wow,
They can
that's an
email us
open
and
invitation.
check
Yeah.
check out what how everything is made.
That's really kind and nice of you to invite everybody and see, because I think that's where honesty shows that
Yeah.
what we are saying is what we're delivering.
Absolutely. You asked me what's your secret. We don't have any secret. I mean, we're like an open book. You can come and see us how we work anytime.
Thank you so much. It was
Thank
such
you.
a great conversation we
Thank
had.
you.
Thank
Thanks a
you.
lot. Thank you.
And thank you to our viewers for watching this episode.